Hello everyone, welcome to our Excel tutorial series. So today we are talking about circular reference. Circular reference. A circular reference in Excel means that a formula refers back to its own self, either directly or indirectly. This creates a loop that Excel can't resolve because its self's value depends on itself. For example, this is cell A1 and then you are saying equals to, remember before you enter any formula in Excel you must start with the equal sign, and so you are saying equals to A1, that's that same cell, plus 5. Then you hit enter. Can you see? Careful, we found one or more circular references in your workbook that might cause your formulas to calculate incorrectly, and that's because you are asking cell A1 to calculate itself. You are telling cell A1 to calculate A1 using A1, which is impossible without already knowing A1's value. Now let's click on OK. Can you see it's giving us 0? Now let's look at the indirect method. So you are saying, let's say you are saying A1, no, let's use equal sign B1 equals to A1 plus 3. You see, it's also giving us 0. Now both cells depend on each other, creating a circular loop. What happens when you do this? Excel will show you a warning, and that was what we saw the other time. It might stop calculating or give wrong results unless iterative calculation is turned off. So you can actually turn off iterative calculation, but this is not advisable unless you are so sure about what you are doing. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so that when I upload the next video on Excel tutorial you will get notification and then come to watch. See you in the next video.